There is no evidence that the sugar pregnancy test is accurate. No recent studies have tested it. Some claim it gives earlier results than home pregnancy tests, but this is also doubtful. There's no proof that the sugar pregnancy test is reliable. Like many DIY pregnancy tests online, this one uses common household items. Take 1 tablespoon of sugar powder in a jar and pour your first morning urine in it. Then wait a few minutes to see what happens. According to popular belief, if HCG is in your urine, sugar would not dissolve like usual. Instead, it will form clumps at the bottom of the bowl, which is thought to indicate pregnancy. You can test pregnancy at home by using pregnancy strips, because these tests are relatively inexpensive compared to other methods. They provide an affordable way to check for pregnancy. Clinical Guard is a trusted brand offering affordable, accurate pregnancy and ovulation test strips for women trying to conceive. Place the pregnancy test strip in your urine. Hold the absorbent tip under the urine stream for 7 to 10 seconds to collect enough sample. It's become a popular choice for those seeking reliable results on their fertility journey. Once you get a positive result on a home pregnancy test, schedule an appointment with your doctor or midwife to confirm your pregnancy and begin prenatal care. Some people say there are ways to test for pregnancy without going to the doctor or buying a home pregnancy test. The toothpaste test is similar to the salt and sugar tests. It's said that toothpaste reacts with pregnancy hormones in urine, causing a color change or foam. If there's no reaction, the result is negative. However, this test has no scientific proof and is not accurate. The baking soda pregnancy test involves mixing urine with baking soda, expecting fizzing or bubbling if pregnant. However, there is no evidence that baking soda reacts with HCG, so this test is unreliable. Medical professionals do not use this to confirm pregnancy, but it can be a sign. You will still need a pregnancy test to be sure.